Have you ever considered the hidden dangers lurking in some of your favorite everyday foods? Today, we're uncovering the truth about acrylamide, a chemical compound that forms naturally in certain foods during high-temperature cooking. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, is responsible for the appealing brown color and savory flavor in many cooked foods, but it also creates this potentially harmful substance. Acrylamide forms when certain amino acids, particularly asparagine, react with reducing sugars at temperatures above 248 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. Foods with the highest levels of acrylamide include potato chips, French fries, and many baked goods like cookies and crackers. Breakfast cereals, roasted coffee, and even some processed baby foods can also contain significant amounts. Studies have shown that acrylamide is a probable human carcinogen, linked to an increased risk of various cancers in animal studies. Beyond cancer, research suggests potential neurotoxic effects, impacting nerve function and reproductive issues, though more human studies are needed. The World Health Organization and other health bodies continue to monitor its presence and recommend reducing exposure. So, how can you minimize your exposure to this ubiquitous chemical? When cooking, aim for a golden yellow rather than a dark brown when frying, roasting, or baking starchy foods. Soaking raw potato slices in water for 15 to 30 minutes before frying can reduce acrylamide formation by up to 50%. For coffee, choose lighter roasts, as darker roasts tend to have higher acrylamide levels. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place but not in the refrigerator, as cold temperatures can increase sugar content and thus acrylamide potential. When baking or toasting grains, avoid excessive browning. A lighter color is always preferable. While avoiding acrylamide entirely is difficult, certain foods can help neutralize its effects. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, rich in sulforaphane, support the body's detoxification pathways. Garlic and onions, containing organosulfur compounds, also play a role in enhancing detoxification. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, can help combat oxidative stress caused by acrylamide. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can provide a protective effect against environmental toxins. The bottom line is to be mindful of your cooking methods and food choices. While eliminating acrylamide completely is unrealistic, reducing your intake through simple adjustments can significantly lower your risk. Prioritize fresh, whole foods and opt for steaming, boiling, or stewing over high-temperature frying and roasting whenever possible. Stay informed, make conscious choices, and empower yourself to live a healthier life.